Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the new story feature in the Pinterest app. You open your Pinterest app. As you can see, here are the stories up there. They just launched this new feature this week. New story. You can record a new story in the app, or you can upload a video that you made previously. I will upload this one. As you can see, you can design your story here. You can add tags, background, anything, but I will keep it this way because I already edited it. Next, you just give a title for your video. You can add the description. You can choose the board that you are saving your story. I will save it to the travel. You can add tags. For example, I will add travel tags, not travel photography, travel, done, and publish. That's it. That's how you publish a story. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.